what we're going to be looking at today is the features of a diary. So, first feature is first person. Whenever you write a diary, you need to write it in first person, so saying I or me, and putting yourself in the shoes of the character you're writing a diary of, which today is going to be an orangutan. The next feature is to sign on or start your diary with Dear Diary. Next is recounting of the day or past events, because a diary is a little bit like a recount, but you're kind of writing it to yourself. So that brings us on to our next feature, which is making sure that you write your diary in past tense, because everything that you write in your diary has already happened, so it's in the past. So making sure that you use your past tense verbs, and you can switch also between talking about present tense. So for example, in my diary, at the very beginning, I say that today was a day that changed my life forever. It will never be the same again. I woke up feeling full of life, but I'm going to sleep filled with dread and worry. That's kind of present tense. And then I say this morning, I was doing my usual morning routine, and I move into past tense. So the beginning part and the end part of your diary can be in present tense, talking about your feelings right now. And then the main chunk of your diary is going to be a recount, talking about something that's happened in the past. The next feature is going to be description of feelings. Diary is meant to be a personal place where you write down all your thoughts and feelings, so it's really important to make sure when you're writing about things that have happened that day or in the past. For our example about the orangutan, it's going to be that day. You need to write down the feelings at each point and how you felt about each event that happened. Another feature is making sure you're using a bit of an informal tone, because this is a diary to yourself, so it can be a little bit chatty and kind of written in how you would retell the story to someone else. And one of our final features is using interesting adjectives and verbs, because that will make it even more interesting for the reader to read. What you're going to do now is you are going to use this checklist, this toolkit of a diary, and highlight any of the features that I've used in my diary example. Good luck!